Welcome to another episode of Ace Home Daddies. So this is your dad, Bud Joey, and today I'm with a special guest, Harold, Daddy Harold. No, a gamer. He's also a podcaster. He's also a content creator. There's this box from Ace that we can open and we can talk about what's inside. So this is the Ace Toolbox. I think as a dad, I shared this the other day na ang gusto ko eventually is bilan na yung anak ko ng toolbox dahil para matuto siya ng parang compartmentalizing, organizing, and actually making sure to take care of his things. Ikaw, meron ka bang story about the toolbox? Or
Ang ganda, nilabutan nga ako nung nilabas mo eh. I have so many memories about it kasi yung dad ko, marami siyang ginagawa. Mahilig siya kumutingting. Ay, yung parang hindi mapakali pag walang binubutingting.
Saka bawal mong galawin yun. Naalala ko nung bata ko, may toolbox yung dad ko, bawal mong galawin yun. Kasi pag nawala yung mga tools niya, magpapagalitan.
Saka alam nila kung saan nakalagay yung dapat. Di ba may maraming compartment nga ito, di ba? Alam nila mismo kung ano yung nandun. So ako, sobrang bigat nan. As a kid, di mo kayang buhatin. Pero nilalaro natin, lalagyan natin ng laruan dati.
Lalagyan ng matchbox. Actually, yun eh. Parang sakto yung mga matchbox. Pero ngayon, feeling ko in every household, like for example, you with your new house, kailangan meron kang toolbox eh. Kailangan meron kang at least basic tools.
Correct.
To fix things on your own.
Right.
Like for example, may mag-leak, may masira na valve sa banyo, somehow kailangan mo siyang ayos. So I guess pag eventually ito yun. So this toolbox is actually exclusive. This is an Ace branded toolbox. Napakaganda niya. If you open it, marami siyang compartment. Ayan.
May layer.
May layer, pwede mo lagyan ng mga tools, gadgets. Actually, if you're a gamer, you can actually use it as a box for your mga
Collectors. Actually, nakikita ko mga collectors, ganyan yung gamit. Mga deck of cards, may that's a different type of gamers naman. Yung mga cards naman yung ginagamit. Pwede dito. Mga nagtatamiya.
So multi-use siya. Just because they call it a toolbox, it doesn't mean you have to put tools in it.
Correct.